The Mathematical Association of Nepal, or MEN, is the organization that supports math education in Nepal and helps students participate in international contests like IMMC and IMO. Kathmandu University served as a second home for us IMMC participants. For 5 days, it provided us not just peaceful surroundings and top-class facilities, but also constant support that made our experience smooth, inspiring, and unforgettable. We worked really hard during those 5 days, from solving complex problems to watching hours of faster tutorials. Even one of our friends who wasn't physically with us supported us constantly online. We brainstormed, stressed, and gave it all out. Oh, oops, not these clips, yeah. Those were our big moments. But everything we did, the effort, the teamwork, it was all for the one goal: to proudly represent Team Nepal. Hello everyone, I am Bimal Rasmandari and I was majorly involved in criteria for team selection. Choosing the teams were not only done on the basis of FIFA rankings. Instead, I gathered data on FIFA points, number of countries per continent, World Cup trophies, stadium quality, and appearances in past World Cups. Since all these factors were on a different scale, I used normalization to bring everything at the same level, so that each metric could be compared fairly. Then I used analytic hierarchy process AHP to compare each factors in pairs and decide which one matters more. From there, we assigned weights and calculated an overall score for each continent.
Hey, I'm Swal Sakota and I was the lead moderator in our IMMC team. I work on writing the main parts of the model and focus on generalizing it, like keeping the code structure constant, but adjusting team numbers, travel limits, and switching FIFA rankings with FIBA, FIH, or rugby rankings depending on the sports. And I also wrote the letters along with the introduction and conclusion, and yeah, handle both the small and the big parts to keep everything connected.
Hello world, I'm Aryan Bhattrai, the lead model developer. At first our model calculates the Haversine distance between all possible cities. Then our model takes the sum of the distance traveled by each city and arranges it. Now for example, the city 2 travels the most, so it would be higher up in the priority. Then our model computes a pathway for city 2 in a round robin format. And it does so for the next city in priority, and so after that our model computes the total travel distance for all the teams. After that our model randomly swaps between the teams.
Hello everyone, I'm Anubhav Prasai. In our IMMC project, I work closely with Bimal for model formulation, from defining key variables to structuring the ASP matrix and applying Haversine formula for modeling the travel constants. I also worked with Aryan in the coding side. I especially worked as the debugger of our Python codes. Basically, I played the link between theory and implementation.